Hello, welcome to another live stream of Master Investor. My name is Jose. I'm the chairman of the company. I've founded and I'm glad to be here again on another valuable video. Let me just get this screen. Okay, we're live now. Okay, perfect. I thought it had logged off for a second. All right. Okay, welcome again on another valuable money, business and investing talk. Okay, today we're going to speak about how important information is. Yesterday we talked about the entrepreneurship rule number one, right? What is entrepreneurship rule number one? Is to stay in business. How do we do that? Through raising capital, which is respecting the job number one of a wealthy entrepreneur, which is raise capital. So we talked about different ways we can raise capital using OPM. We also cover return on investment and internal rate of return, utilizing phantom income, and as much how to leverage and control our wealth, right? Because it's all about leverage and control. The higher our leverage is, the higher our returns are, and the more wealthier we become for free, legally. Think about that. When we have the right information, we can actually use the new rules and the wealthy mindset with the information that we have that is accurate based on facts instead of opinions. So today I'm going to give you 5 different points that I made where it's going to explain in detail by the end of this video why information is your best friend to building wealth, and not just any type of information, insider information. And I'm not talking about anything that has to do with necessarily stocks, right? We're not speaking about that. We're talking about private companies, being close to the deals of those companies, networking, getting to know new people, building our email list with other networks and other business owners, and investing with them because they are private companies. We are private companies, right? We're doing business privately. And so we're going to explain how we can take advantage of insider information. The closer we are to the deal, the better we will have, the better chances we have to build passive income successfully and build true wealth. And the faster we can actually see that money. So go get our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, because it's going to help you understand the new rules of money. We have that other ebook too. So get the 2 ebooks. Go to our website. I put the link in the description. But How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet is going to give you 49 chapters with over 500 pages long. By the time you finish that ebook, you're literally going to have a sales funnel, and you're going to be able to create passive income by collecting new customers and serving a solution in the marketplace on autopilot, and how you're going to launch that business, or how you're going to monetize any idea or talents or passions that you may have right now that could be monetized with entrepreneurship. So innovation is important, but we have to know the difference between innovation and entrepreneurship. And entrepreneurship is actually monetizing that innovation. And innovation is using our imagination to bring our idea into reality. Okay? So when we successfully do that, we have to apply entrepreneurship on that to monetize it. And we raise capital from the front end, from the clients, and also from the back end, from private lenders, from banks, and other investors that are maybe interested in investing in the deal because we're showing results, right? So it's a great opportunity, and they're going to get a nice return on their investment fast, and they're going to be able to see that because it's based on facts, because it's based on what the business is doing, because we can show the sales that are coming in. Okay, so we have to become great at reading financial statements, updating our information constantly, right, in order to build that wealth. And also understand that in order to keep value on information, the information must be classified or insider information, right? That's how it becomes valuable, because we're protecting it. Instead of giving it to everybody, information can be useful 1 minute and obsolete in the next. That's why it's important that once you become part of our inner circle, you're going to get inside information on the things that we are doing as a company, and as much how you can begin to duplicate the same strategy so that you build your wealth, you build your company. And you need help with branding, with a logo, with finding the right attorney, or finding a certain team member, then you're going to be able to find that inside of Master Investor, because we're giving you the tools and resources and the network to help you build everybody's wealth who becomes partner of Master Investor. So go get the ebooks, become a partner today. They are a bargain right now. They're not going to last on that price. We're going to add more value on each digital course that contains that ebook. So you're going to get even more than the ebook. You're going to have different documents to help you get a jump start on your financial freedom, and of course building wealth that lasts forever. That's what the goal is, right? A wealth that you can actually not even worry about ever working at a job, because we have the 3 E's of an entrepreneur, which is financial education, experience, and excess of cash flow. Okay, and that we covered yesterday, leverage and control, right? The higher the leverage we have, the higher our passive income and other returns are. So investing is not risky. It's the investor behind who is risky, and it's average investor who thinks that investing is risky. Someone that doesn't have financial education. That's why we compound financial education here at Master Investor, because we all have an investor inside of us. And Master Investor is all about bringing that investor to become a master investor, because we are respecting the rules of money, the new ones, and we are operating under the new capitalism world with the wealthy mindset, with the right core values, with the right plan of action on a daily basis, working towards building our passive income and making money work hard. Okay, so we are proactive when it comes to investing. Take massive action, because the information that I'm giving you is good when we use it. It's great when we use it, when we take action on it. Okay, so make sure you go get our ebooks. Get the link. The link is in the description. So let's move on to the next thing that I have here. In business, a business advantage, just like information, can be valuable 1 second and the next one is worthless. The same thing with business. A business advantage can be priceless today and worthless tomorrow. That's why we work on innovating and making sure that we monetize that. So every organization should have an innovation department to stay ahead of the competition and bring new solutions depending on how the world is changing around us, and depending on the niche that we are involved in with our companies. Okay, so we have to continuously innovate and keep our clients and our customers, the end user, coming back for more, because we might be solving a problem that they have by innovating other products to solve additional problems that we notice depending on their behavior, because they're our customers and we can see what problem they have, so we can actually give them more solutions. Okay, build our credibility. Time is key, because everything is moving fast. And point number 1 is classify information. And business is known as insider information. It is illegal when a person receives information from someone inside a public company, uses that information to sell shares. That is illegal. However, all information is insider information. Okay, the more important question is, how far from the inside are we? And when we speak about this, we're talking about private companies. Okay, how close to the inside of that deal am I, right? So if you're going in a deal with other partners, how close are we into the deal? Do we know all the information at the right time when it's supposed to be known? We're the first ones to know this opportunity. You see, by the time a person that is an average investor find about a hot topic on a certain company, about a new product, that will be late. The ones that are closer to the inside have made a winning move based on that information, but the difference is that they were closer to the inside. The people close to the inside, and inside has already invested with that information, and the battle has already been won legally. The average investor loses. So information is keen when it comes to building our wealth. Point number 2 is the distinction I want to make. It is the importance of being in the inside. as close to the inside possible, a legal insider investor that can invest with insider information. The closer we are to the inside, the wealthier we become. Point number 3, we are legal inside investors. That is why we focus on those assets where we can be in the inside legally. We are legal insider. Since we are not a public company, we can freely tell our associates and other people and friends what are we investing on. The closer we are to the inside, the wealthier we become. Number 4, relative information. Information changes and we must continue to seek the accurate information as technology is also growing rapidly. The world and the business and investing, this gathering past, present, and future information is called watching the trends. Okay, so it's important to learn information from the past, but we have to be actively seeking the fresh information that is relevant right now because things are changing constantly. Okay, and always question whether that is based on facts or opinions. And that way we keep control over the situation like we're supposed to, like a wealthy entrepreneur. Number 5, deceptive information. And this happens all the time in business, and more so now that we have access to the internet around the world. Okay, people are uploading information that is inaccurate, that is obsolete, and therefore people waste their entire life and many years because they went based on the wrong information. So it can really take you down, or it can actually empower you tremendously. In war, the enemy often gives deceptive information to trick their opponent. Business and investing are rampant with deceptive information. A wealthy entrepreneur, an inside investor or master investor must be constantly vigilantly and guard with financial intelligence. Finally, let's focus on getting the accurate information to building wealth. We must know the difference between opinions and facts. It matters in business and investing. As an inside investor, we go based on facts. People think investing is risky because they do not know the difference between facts and opinions. Let's use inside information legally to become wealthier. Summary: avoid using information based on opinions and not facts to invest. Those are insane financial solutions. In business, it will ruin the entrepreneurs and investors. So stay active, seeking and updating our information. That's why it's important that you go and get our ebook, How to Build Cash Flow with the Internet, Turn Passive Income On, and get our other ebook, The 10 New Rules of Money. We're releasing 3 new ebooks in the next 2 months. One on crypto, one because it's one of the asset classes, one on the different levels of investors, and the other one is going to be on the art of raising capital. And then we're coming out with a magazine, Master Investor magazine. It's going to be a global magazine, and also not only digitally but printable as well. So stay on the lookout. We have more coming our way with products, services, and tools that will help us build wealth together here at Master Investor. If you're new to our community, make sure that you subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you visit our live streams and our videos. This will be uploaded after the live stream is done, so you can watch this tomorrow or whenever that you find the time to take massive action on your wealth and start building your asset column. So if you want to learn how to create sales on autopilot, how to get that passive income coming in from businesses that we control, then go to our website, get the ebooks, and take massive action. If you need to have a one-on-one consultation, we can also help you with that. We have different products and services that would definitely be of a benefit to your wealth and your future plans when it comes to building your asset column. We're going to give you the tools and everything that you need in order to reach total freedom. Okay? If you have any questions, let us know. Drop a comment below. Give us some feedback. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. I appreciate the time and business, bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. We're doing a 30-day challenge, so I'll be here every day. You'll be talking to me. We'll be talking to each other throughout the entire month. We'll keep this going hopefully the entire year. but we're going to do the 30-day challenge just to keep that momentum and be able to have, you know, something that is achievable in the next 30 days. So far we are on our 3rd day or 4th day, and like I always say, we're going to be speaking about money, right? Because we're building wealth, and we need to talk about cash flow and the new rules of money and everything that we've been speaking all this week and throughout the entire existence of our videos here on this channel, okay? It's all about compounding financial education. Go get our ebooks and make sure that you take massive action. That's the most important thing. You have to do something different today in order to get different results tomorrow. We have control over the present right now. Get the accurate information that we need in order to take massive action. And remember the list of goals. We need to have a daily list of goals, and our bank accounts and our wealth will change based on that list of goals, because the higher standards we have with those goals, the more we're going to attract success and the things that we truly want in our life. Learn the laws of the universe. Remember, control our thoughts with the proper mindset, and we can attract anything that we can imagine and envision, and we can actually monetize it and enjoy it while we are young or whatever age you are. At the end, just know that you can get started right now, regardless of your age, to start building wealth. Or if you want to also multiply your wealth, if you have wealth already and you want to multiply to the next level, then take a look at what we're doing here at Master Investor to help you do that, okay? Remember, today money is not longer backed up by gold. It's created with debt today. So money is created with debt. And that way we can actually use debt to invest for passive income. We encourage everyone to borrow money, good debt, to invest for passive income into something that will create passive income. And you know that based on facts, because that asset has a track record, okay? So make sure that you build in, our wealth has to be built based on good debt. Why? Because that's the new capitalism world. Otherwise, you'll be struggling if you use the old rules of money and the old mindset. Debt is good for us. It's our friend as a master investor. It's our ally. We use debt to invest, to create passive income, and basically get everything for free legally. All right, I'll talk to you in the next video. Thank you for your time in business. Stay great and wealthy. Bye for now.